In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use an AI to summarize a YouTube video. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube, and basically what I'll be using for this one is NoteGPT. So you can go here by going to notegpt.io. This is my favorite free tool right here in summarizing YouTube videos right here. So like for example, I would want to go for some educational content. Just go for educational content, for example, and I'm going to select a sample right here. For example, this one right here, a TED Talk. So basically what we need to do is that we need to copy the link for this video. So you can just click here on the three dots on that video and click here on share. And then you'd be able to copy the link, or you could go inside a video and click here and copy the link. And then paste this here into NoteGPT. Paste this here. And then you can now click here on generate summary. And then it would now detect the video that you have right here. So now you will now be able to see this transcript right here. And then you can get chapters. So it's still loading, but yeah, you get the chapters in here. And now if you'd want the summary, you would have to log in here into NoteGPT, and then you'd get 15 free quotas per month. So you can click here on your Google account and then just sign in. And then you would now be able to get your free credits right here. So if you're a free user, then NoteGPT might not be the best tool that's out there, because it is limited in terms of summarizing the video. But yeah, I got the paid plan right here, so I don't really mind that. And you can always go here into Google and search for other YouTube video summarizer free tools right here. And there are a lot of them, so just pick one on what you like and test them out and see if it fits to your liking and needs. But as for me, I'm completely happy with NoteGPT. And as you can see, it has now summarized the YouTube video in less than a minute. So here it is. I have now summarized that video, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.